case, we'd be having with us Matt.
Matt, the theatre group from Calcutta, right?
Exactly, my lady. This is a group of theatre artists with brilliance who have come together to present before the world the truth in its crudest and simplest form.
And of course, this is the reason why they have won millions hearts and they have many achievements to their names. To name the prominent ones, they were selected as one of the 10 plays in the 95 presented at the biggest India's theatre festival, Expo Kochi, which was presented at Prithvi Theatre, Mumbai.
And yet again, my dear friends, this Zealous artists are here to present before you an act named Burqa Bikini. And I'm very sure that this act, choreographed by Chuchka Sen Gupta, shall certainly make you ponder over the present scenario. So guys, enjoy.
So without wasting any time, let us call Matt on the stage. Madness begins now. And guys, don't forget, stay up, stay down.
Check, 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 check. नमस्ते ट्रिपल आईटी। कैसा है हालचाल? क्या सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। धन्यवाद ट्रिपल आईटी के सभी कोऑर्डिनेटर्स को मैड अबाउट ड्रामा को बुलाने के लिए। ये बहुत बोलते हैं हम लोग के बारे में, उतना बड़ा कुछ नहीं है। हम आप ही की तरह है, हम भी इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट है भाई। लेकिन एक बात है, हम जब गाएंगे थोड़ा चीयर करना तो मांगता ही ना, है कि नहीं? My mistake is bad for me, and I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं बातों से चल के मिलेंगे सारे बाहर के। जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के बातों से चल के मिलेंगे सारे बाहर के। थैंक यू ट्रिपल आईटी। अभी हम लोग शुरू करेंगे। हमारा एक नाटक है, इसका नाम है द बुर्का द बिकिनी एंड अदर वेल्स। सो या हाँ, लड़कियां है, लड़का भी है, तो देखते हैं कैसा होता है। बासु, अभी रेडी टू गो? कॉल द थिंग। She's a killer, crazy about it, loves hard to say, and a boyfriend it's a long day, living in the sea.
Against the tiles of your room. When you can sense them coming, you know exactly how to numb your senses. And you tell yourself, it'll be over soon. You turn your elbow
and your Lee or nose scam. And you know exactly how to keep your jaws tightened the whole time so that his blows don't hurt your teeth and gums. And then at night, you know exactly in what position to put yourself to rest so as to ease the aching. And then those bruises blend to dreams, dreams into memories. Day and night become indistinguishable. You know, one can know everything and still want desperately to know nothing at all. The heart protects. It imprisons too. You know, when I was 11, burning pains in my stomach signaled the onset of my first period. I was obviously intimidated. My mother came and gave me a cup of hot milk to soothe the aching. And then she explained to me all there was to be traditionally explained about periods and napkins. She opened up this whole new world to me all of a sudden. And then she did something quite interesting. She hugged me quietly and said, "Congratulations, baby. You're a woman today." Is that it? So I'm a woman because I bleed every 30 days. Or there's more to me. Do I have emotions? Do I have sentiments? Am I happy? Am I unhappy? Do I care? How much do I care? How much no? How much of what I know do I choose to ignore? There's a veil? Where's the veil? What is veil in What is the veil word, sir? Are the dimensions maybe? How do we measure those things which can't be grasped? That are beyond measurement? Like the insubstantial essence of ourselves? Like the flame of a candle? It can't be measured or quantified, but it exists. It's real, and it exists. On that note, presenting to you the burqa, the bikini, and other veils.
There's a freeway up in my heart. I'm a bad boy, 'cause I don't even miss her. I'm a bad boy for breaking her heart, and I'm free falling.
That evening, I watched silently as my mother jumped into the well. The public well. My aunt stood next. I was at the end of the queue. You know, I always wanted to jump from the rooftop. I thought it felt like a bird. Little did I know what death felt like. It was 1947. India got her independence. I saw people slaughtering each other, hankering for each other's blood, and yes, trainloads of dead bodies were being ferried across the borders. I was 8 years old. The girl you see every day beside your house, maybe playing with a doll, I was just that little. My father wanted to kill me. He thought slitting my throat would be vulgar. Instead, he asked me to jump into the well. I was too little. I was just a little girl. As I stood on the last brick stair leading to the well, I couldn't jump. I was so scared. I was just so little, and it was dark inside. I had flashes of memories. And in that split second of my life that was left, I thought about everything that I could have done. Maybe going to the school, talking with my Masi, playing with her kids. My younger brother, he loved me a lot. He never slept without me. But something happened. Something happened. I slipped and I fell into the dark abyss below and landed over a heap of dead bodies, terrible, cold. And there was blood all over. There was blood all over. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't breathe. And there my mother was, dead, terrified and shocked. And her eyes were wide open as if she was looking at me, and it reminded me of that lullaby she used to sing. You know, sometimes I feel, was it martyrdom that killed all these women? Or were they strangled by lies tied across their throats? And of course I lived. Otherwise, who would be sitting here narrating her saga to you? I lived because there wasn't enough water in the well to drown another little girl.
टूटा टूटा एक परिवार से टूटा ये फिर न पाया। लूटा लूटा किसने इसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया। गीता रहा हुआ आसमां से आकर गिरा जमीन पे, बाहों में फिर भी बादल ही थी वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। सब कोई गाएंगे मेरे साथ, ठीक है? अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा।
You all must have heard about that typical girly room with pink walls, and you all must have heard about the very typical girly wardrobe with those disgusting dresses. I know none of you would believe me, but I used to be a girl once, and this is not a joke. Yeah? Because when I was 8 years old, I had a room with pink walls and a wardrobe with those disgusting dresses. In fact, one day my mother sat me down for this long, boring conversation. You know how mothers are. They always tend to have this long, boring conversations with their children. So my mother told me, listen, Beti, you'll be a lady someday. So you should better start behaving like one. I never knew what being a lady meant or how should a lady behave. I was my own person, right? And after a few years, when I got my first period, there were several people who told me, listen, now you're finally a woman. You'll get used to the discomfort, you'll get used to the pain. I was surprised, boss, what is this all about? Because honestly, I never got used to bleeding every 30 days. I never got used to the pain and the cramps. As you can guess, my teenage was the worst part of my life. Boss, I wanted to play with the guys. I wanted to play football and cricket with the guys in the pada. But after a while, my mother told me that I cannot play with the boys because I'm growing up and they're seeing me quite differently now. I never understood what that meant. And the point is, whenever we used to go for these parties, my father was the party-going kind, if you know what I mean. In any way, whenever we used to go to these parties, I wanted to wear these really nice collared shirts that my elder brother had. But my mother always suggested low neckline dresses because they make me look more feminine and ladylike. And there was this one day my mother discovered a packet of gold flake lights in my bag, and all hell broke loose. I tried to explain to her that my male cousins, my dada, in the same age used to smoke. My mother had a flawless logic of her own. She told me, listen, no self-respecting man is ever going to marry a woman who smokes. It's ironic that after a few years, my family decided the only way to mend me or to get me corrected is to marry me off. Marry I did. Yeah, I was the perfect bride. I walked down the aisle and stuff. But after marriage, what followed was 3 of the most painful years of my life. Yes, you can associate every word in the dictionary which describes despair. Hopelessness, loneliness, all the hours of staring through the dark. And the sex was really bad. So you can guess it was a terrible, horrible marriage, and it was, those 3 years were the most painful, and everyone has a limit. Okay, everyone has a limit. I tolerated it for 3 years, but after that, when I reached my limit, I went up to my father and I said, listen, I want to leave my husband. My father asked me, koi problem hai? Does he abuse your stuff? I said, no, he's a perfectly nice man, but I want to leave my husband because now I want to become a man. And if I become a man, I cannot live with another man because I am not even gay. And my father was so perplexed. You should have seen the look on his face. My father was shocked, perplexed and confused and irritated at the same time. As you might have guessed, we never spoke ever since. My dad and me, birthday, if on that day, if I was born a boy, this same father would have thrown a party. And now he refuses to recognize me simply because of that I want to switch into the gender he belongs to. Can you realize how weird this is? Let me tell you something very confidential. I haven't opened up to too many people. For the last 11 years of my life, I have been saving every money I've earned. I have had a nice job, a nice family, a nice college, but I've never had a nice life. So I've been saving every penny I've earned for this complex sex change process, this operation which will transform me into a man. But I might not even survive this operation. I might even die, but I don't care. In the last 11 years, so many people who have heard about this operation have come up to me and come up with so many opinions of their own. For example, yaar, you're beautiful just the way you are. You're a perfect figure. Your assets are just perfect, flawless. Why do you want to become a man? You're perfect just the way you are. And there was this one very meek guy in my college who said, you're beautiful. You should not change yourself. Remember the Billy Joel song? You're always a woman to me. And I have this auntie living in the States. You'd think aunties living in the States are very progressive. But one fine day she calls me up and she asked me, Peti, I heard from your mommy that you're having some operation. Is it something serious? Are you sick? I said, no auntie, I just want to become a man. And after, there were like 15 minutes of silence after that. My auntie did not speak. After that, she kept on gasping what after 10 minutes. What? Peti, I'll speak to your mommy about this. This is not done. You cannot do this to yourself. So, you can realize how people react to these things. But you know, after 33 years of not belonging anywhere, after 33 years of roaming around and not being myself, I think I owe this much to... It's simple. It's as simple as one of you wanting to become a great engineer, or it's as simple as Bunty wanting to become a cricketer, or Sanjeev wanting to study economics. I want to become a man. It's that simple. I'm no one special. I'm no one important. I'm not gay. I'm not lesbian. I'm not an eunuch. I'm just a man trapped in a woman's body. It's that simple. And I want to choose my gender. I want to choose the gender of my mind in accordance with the gender of my body. It's as simple as you go to the court, file an affidavit and change your entire name, your entire identity. I want to become a man. In fact, the doctors have certified now I have physically become a man. I am physically a man now. The hormones have changed and everything. So I'm physically a man now. But you know, I still don't call myself a man because I know the moment I change my gender on my Facebook profile, my friends will ping me and ask what's wrong. I know for a fact that I still can't look at my father in his eye and tell him that, listen, you had a daughter once, now you have a son. Deal with it. I still can't look at each and every one of you in the eye and expect that you'd not mock me or laugh at me when I say these things to you. The day when I'll be able to look at you in the eye and tell you that I used to be a woman, I'm a man now. I used to be her, now you can address me as him. And that day, when there would not be no catcalls from your side, the day you'd understand me instead of laughing at me, that day I'll become a man completely. And so many hundreds of others like me who are trapped inside a different body, they would become themselves. As you might have realized, I have nothing left to lose. I mean, I only have my hope to carry on because, you know, it's fatal. I might even die in the process of becoming a man. And these days when I stare into the darkness, the strength of my own conviction scares me.
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करे अल्फाजों में oh yeah 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 कभी मुझे लगे कि जैसे सारा ये जहां है जादू जो है भी और नहीं भी है ये फिजा घटा घना बहारे मुझे करे इशारे ये कैसे कहूँ कहानी मन की जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करे अल्फाज़ों में
कितना बचा देखना कार्ड इसमें ये आइए पर वाइट कर
हेलो, क्या रे? तेरे को बोली थी ना मैं, भाई ये सब नहीं चाहिए रे मेरे को। आइंदा के ऐसे कस्टमर भेजे ना, अरे सुन तो लो। हेलो, बोली थी ना तेरे को? हाँ। ठीक है रख, उसको बोल मेरे को फोन करेगा। आप भी? हाँ, चल रख। हेलो, of course sir. Anything you say, read it is. Why don't you pick me up in half an hour? Surely. What? No. I won't give out my name. I have never done that. People call me Sugar. I line my eyebrows. I suffuse my lashes generously with mascara. I paint my lips a deep shade of red. What do you call it? It's like a daily routine. Years ago, my boyfriend day tripped me. And then of course the MMS was doing the rounds as usual. Cutting the long story short, fate had me meet this pimp and I eventually landed up in this brothel. What? Ah, right. What other option was I left with? Huh? I had no fancy degrees, no capital. All I had was my body. So I started exchanging my body for what I needed to get through the day alive. Because boys, I don't need your... I need your money. मुझे तो उनके चेहरे भी याद नहीं रहते जब वो मेरे उस दरवाजे से बाहर जाते हैं। पर क्यों याद रखूं उनको? You know, 10 years ago, I saw my body as something unfortunate, something that didn't seem as perfect as that of a man, of course. My mother would shame me every time my periods came along. जैसे मैंने कोई गुनाह कर दिया हो, मंदिर के अंदर मत जाओ, किचन के अंदर मत जाओ, खाना मत खाओ, सो मत, अरे मार ही देते ना जब जन्मी थी. So, well, 10 years later, today, when clients come to me for sex, I give them sex. I find my worth reflected in their lecherous eyes. So, if I am seen as an exploiter, what do you call it? A fallen woman? So be it. My virtue isn't locked in my vagina. बहुत हंसी आ रही है ना? But there came this man one day. I was waiting in the neon red of my room when he stepped inside. To feel his bare body felt so satisfying, like a meal after a long spell of hunger. I had never felt so close to another human being before. मैंने उससे पहले कभी प्यार नहीं किया था ना. His fingers slipped through the seams of my clothing, searching for skin. He raised my hand to his lips. I thought he was going to kiss it, but he only took in the scent of my skin. You know, with all those other clients, there were clumsy moments in between the good sex. But with him, I felt like a child running freely down a hill. That night, as we lay exhausted on the bed together, I removed his shirt aside to feel his breathing. उसी पल शायद प्यार हो गया था उससे. मैं इतनी पागल थी, मैंने उसे बोल दिया. I told him that I loved him. He lay silent. Not a word to acknowledge my confession. I hoped he would come back the next day, but I knew he wouldn't. I never saw him again. Next day, I woke up and went back to all that grinning and pretending. Who cares? I'm just a hooker, right? You know, all those men who pay to have my body are like comedians. And bearing down of a whole woman to her vagina is their favorite joke. Because even today I keep imagining him. He's like that song I'd heard in fragments, but has been playing in my mind ever since. मैं उस चेहरे को हजार चेहरों में भी पहचान सकती हूँ. I think I made you up inside my head.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching up every pitch and it's bringing me out down. Found only I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your bed. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching up every pitch and bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love reminds me of bills. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love that leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. You had my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat.
You know, it's prepared to come here and say something quite different from what I'm going to say now. I was prepared to come here all militant and angry after they made their confessions. But more and more, realize that anger is only a pale shadow next to the grief I feel. We all expected the world to be different than it is, didn't we? No matter what we understood from the testimonies of these nameless women about how they suffer and why they suffer, we all believed in human possibilities. You know, I want to be able to brush my hair and look at myself in the mirror and try on clothes without being asked as to who he is or since when I've been dating him or whether I'm a prostitute or pregnant. I want to be able to sit however I do in my own house without being told that the position my legs are in is immodest. I want to be able to smile because I had a good day at work without being obliged to explain as to why I'm smiling away to glory. I want to be able to cry at my miserable life if I want to without being obliged to explain as to why I'm unhappy. I want to be able to shave my legs without being implicated as to why I do such a thing when nobody ever sees them. I want to be able to save contacts under real names and not under female pseudonyms on my phone. I want to be able to walk down the street without my neighbors peeping out of their windows and picking up and and telling my father, hey, your daughter is roaming on the streets. I can't forget my phone in the other room and not being asked as to what I had been up to because I missed a call from him. I don't want my parents to ask me to carry the quintessential pepper spray and the Swiss knife when I step out of my house. When I'm waiting for my boy to call me up and say, hey baby, why do you need an auto or a bus when I have a private car? In fact, why call? You know, when I'm sitting there watching these women make their confessions, I ask if they have a cigarette packet with them, and they stared at me like I was a dodo sitting on a tree. Was making confession, I heard a guy comment, "इसकी कमर तो देखो, item bomb है." Oh, sorry, prohibited. Step out of my house. I make sure that I carry a scarf with me to cover my exposed neckline, because my brain seems to have memorized the very things it must do to make me feel safe. We all wait for that day when we can walk down the road wearing a burqa, being judged, ridiculed, or whistled at. Because you know what? Our skin is the only veil that we come with. And this we wear only for the comfort of the world. You know, these sad monologues could go on for hours, but they're not a tombstone or a dirge. They're like a woman with many pages, with many voices, which wither and shrink from all sides. A woman who stabs herself again and again, and blooms and rises in hope and power, only to fall again. Because no matter whatever clarity or eloquence, bitterness or sorrow go into these monologues, they will almost always be forgotten. You're a human being. You can live your whole life trying to adapt and survive, but that won't make your bruises go away, dear. Those bruises will heal from your skin, but wear down deep into your heart, and you will keep losing bits and pieces of yourself as a consequence. You picked your escape plans, all, but as you grow older, you realize that those escape plans don't mean anything at all. You began to fathom the reality of the world around you, and you started laying those escape plans fully down in your head. No paper trail, no verbal trail. But you don't want the key. Because you don't want freedom. You don't want freedom because you don't know what to do with it. You don't want freedom because you don't know what to do with those bits and pieces of yourself which do not know how to be. All you want is the battlefield to be quiet. And in the course, you forget that there ever was an exit door.
ये दिल की बातों को रोकना तेरा हूँ मैं, नशीली रात है, तारे साथ है, गुनगुनाते हम चले शहर की गलियों से। धन्यवाद ट्रिपल आई।
there has been a problem and we need some more time to start.
How will we perform?
We will just check the lights once more and after that, Junior, Shankar, please, later. Babluda, just check the light once, then we can start.
but the play is not happening.
Just check the lights, no.
अरे ऐसा नहीं होता यार.
और भी समुंदर में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो गई हो. अरे लगा है प्यार का रंग. अरे लगा
ये बच्चे मुझे देखते ही म्यूजिक ऑन कर देते. हाँ क्या? हाँ मुझे भी पता है मिस बहुत अच्छी है. नमस्कार जबलपुर, सब ठीक है तो? अरे भाई साहब और कितना पिक्चर लेंगे? लीजिए 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 ये छाती का बाल देखा है एकदम अनिल कपूर 70 का. बोले तो जबलपुर ट्रिपल आईटी total for triple IT today. I will say few things in English because ठीक है अरे I love the total bachas of college. Total young. Yes. Yes. My name is Bablu Bose. एक बार बोल दिया बबलू 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 एकदम बिग बॉस. हाँ बेबी आई एम द ऑफिशियल लाइट पर्सन ऑफ दिस थिएटर ग्रुप. यहाँ पे तो थिएटर वेटर नहीं होता है. वो डायरेक्टर क्या है, वो डायरेक्टर बहुत छाड़ा है. हाँ उसको देखो ना, ये इसको सेट बोलता है. कागज लेके सेट बनाता है. ये आप ही का कॉलेज का आप चेयर लेके सेट बना दिया. पैसा भी आपसे ही लिया है. Anyway, but जबलपुर, I love the actresses. एकदम कोलकाता का रसगुल्ला. I have been in this business. Ladies, gentlemen, I can't see the ladies. Can the ladies shout for Bablu Bose once? Yes. Total. No. So I have been in this theater business for 40 years. And after being in the business for 40 years, I'm the lights guy. So behind the console, I am the Nayak and the Khalnayak. I am the Mithun Chakraborty. Yay! I am the Khalnayak Shakti Kapoor. बोले तो आओ. Don't tell me. I am also the superstar behind the console. I am the Amitabh Bachchan. रिश्तों में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. नाम है शहंशाह. I love the Amitabh Bachchan in कभी खुशी कभी गम. एक सीन है, अमिताभ बच्चन शाहरुख खान को. मुझे शाहरुख खान पसंद नहीं है भाई, ऑनेस्टली बोल रहा है भाई, पसंद नहीं. टोटल फ्रैंक दिल का रिश्ता आपके साथ. हाँ देयर इज अ सीन इन कभी खुशी गम. शाहरुख खान इज कमिंग. पापा and Amitabh Bachchan from the distance, right son. Yes. कुछ उसूल. क्या वो लड़की हमारी उसूल समझ पाएगी? एक गंभीरता है और उसमें शाहरुख खान ऐसा कर रहा है. हाँ पापा. So actually, after being in the lights business for 40 years, I don't see people. I see different characters with different filters on them. For example, when I see my chief minister Mamata Banerjee giving slogans, Mohamati Banos, Jindabad, 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 then I feel as if a green halogen is falling on them. When I see my Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi giving slogans, Narendra Modi Jindabad. When Narendra Modi gives slogans like गुजरात बनाने के लिए तो 56 इंच का सीना लगता है. Then it feels as if a saffron halogen is falling on you. This is personal, okay? Label off करना यार. ठीक है. When I went out with my first girlfriend, I was in Bangawasi College in Kolkata. When I went out with her for my first girlfriend was my first wife. No two-way traffic, one traffic. So when I went out with my first girlfriend, first everything, worst everything, best everything, to Darjeeling, when I gave her the first kiss, no, it felt as if a pink halogen was falling on me. Actually, my father, Babu Bose, he was also in this business. One day, he was, आप तो IIT खड़गपुर जानते हैं, वहाँ पे लाइट कर रहे थे, तो लैडर से गिर के मर गए. ना हंसिए मत, मर गए. तो उसके बाद, no one cared for him, no one. But let me tell you, these Babu Boses can say the most powerful dialogue in the play. Most powerful dialogue. What is the dialogue? Blackout.
What the hell is KK? Where the hell is KK? I need to read.
मेरा ही जलवा, मेरा ही जलवा.
I think this is the rehearsal room. Hello?
म्यूजिक बजा.
मेरा ही जलवा. अरे यहाँ भी होगा, वहाँ भी होगा, अब तो सारे जहाँ में होगा क्या. मेरा ही जलवा, मेरा ही जलवा.
KK, we need to rehearse. This is the rehearsal room if you forgot it. KK,
अबे रुक जा ना बेटी, रुक जा. म्यूजिक बंद कर. ये लेबल वगैरह ना बहुत दिक्कत होता है. 2,500 people are attending our show on Facebook,
right.
which means a lot of dirty young chicks after my charming good looks. कहाँ हो प्रिया? शांति प्रिया. क्या बोला? अरे मम्मी को जाके पूछ लेना. रिपोर्ट अच्छी मिलेगी. तो क्या है? My name is Kumar, as you know.
Of course.
When I bow, the mirror also bows. The mirror winks and it screams Kumar. तुम्हारा बस का बात नहीं है अरुंधति, तुम छोड़ दो, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
What exactly do you think you are, Kumar? Stop behaving like you have the Filmfare for breakfast and the Oscars for dinner, all right?
अरे यार, फिल्म में मिलने ही वाला था साला रणबीर कपूर.
Kumar, we are going to perform to an audience of 700 people, all right? You are underestimating the intelligence of the audience.
देखा है? इंटेलिजेंस इसके रगों में है, रगों में।
No, Kumar. Wait. Let me tell you that there is a tendency of appreciating grand displays of stupidity.
हाँ, वो तो दिख ही रहा है, तुमको अप्रिशिएट कर ही रहा है।
No, that was meant for you.
Oh, okay.
The audience is coming to see the play and not you with your fancy name is Kumar. What are you doing?
जलने की बू चाहे सिगरेट की हो या कागज की, बहुत दूर तक आती है। भाई साहब एक सेकंड। People are generally jealous of people who are hot, cool, sexy, ravishing, sizzling, all at the same time.
Right. And you forgot to mention boring, pointless, idiotic, incorrigible, disgusting, irritating, and disastrous. That was meant for you. Kumar, we need to rehearse. Please get that.
उनको टच करने से पहले मैं अपना नाम भूल जाऊं। You see, my name is so nice.
बहुत बढ़िया।
They say it twice. भाई साहब, अर्ज क्या है? दिशा। पूरा भारत ने, मोदी जी ने, पाले जी भी जब भी है, मोदी जी ने भारत को अपना बना लिया, इसलिए अब की बार कुमार। Thank you.
What exactly are you, Kumar? The greatest curse on the face of mankind or theater or what?
I'm the greatest.
Right. I take that back. My mistake. Even that was an understatement for you, no? Kumar, we need to rehearse. Oh God, Kumar, what do you think you are? Do you have any idea how your whims and fancies are destroying the production? Firstly, you wanted to play the lead role. Then you wanted to play the common man. And now, all of a sudden, you want to play God? This is anything but a child's play, Kumar.
साला
Like,
अभी भी बाकी रह रही है?
Wherever you understand.
नहीं है, बुर्का बिकिनी नहीं है, वो खत्म हो गया।
Kumar, we need to rehearse.
अच्छा, ठीक।
Stop being a nincompoop. Sit back down
मेरा
and
अपने कभी
rehearse.
रिहर्सल नहीं किया, मैं क्या रिहर्सल करूं? Every line I say is a pick-up line. Every move I make is orgasmic. Every time I stand up on stage, the audience. I am the sex bomb, baby. I can trigger floods due to the collective. Hey, females कहाँ है बे? Females कहाँ है? Hello. Hi, babes. How are you?
Kumar, stop being a nincompoop. Do away with your crass language.
ठीक है।
Sit back down
ठीक है।
and rehearse.
ठीक है, चलिए रिहर्स करते हैं। कौन सा सीन करोगे? बोलो।
Okay. Oh, let's rehearse this scene, and this would be quite apt too.
हाँ।
The conversation between God and Satan.
असली हीरो कौन है? सबको पता है। चलता हूँ भाई साहब, चलता हूँ।
I cannot take any more of you.
हेलो। अरे हाँ, सत्संग को। अरे हर सेट के साथ भी, हर सेट के बाद भी बोलिए क्या चाहिए? 21st सेंचुरी अपार्टमेंट मिल जाएगा। हाँ ठीक है, आप मेरे पे भरोसा करो। वो मेरा सर्विस ना पूरा मोदी सरकार की तरह है। आंख बंद करके भरोसा करो भाई, ठीक है? रखती हूँ। हाँ हेलो। ओह बाबू, हाय, क्या है? अच्छा सुनो ना बबलू, हाँ इधर ना नई एसी खरीदी हूँ, थोड़ा जिगर का गर्मी तो ठंडी करती हुई जाओ। ठीक है ना, बाद में फोन करती हूँ। रख लो भाई, और फोन कर रहा है, ये सब सुन लेंगे। हेलो, एक वक्त में फोन करो भाई, क्या है? चल रख, इडियट। जूनियर, 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 साला क्या कर रहा है बे इधर? ओ, क्या है? बफ्फे, क्या है? साला कान के नीचे से बजाऊंगा ना, पूरा चंबल तक आवाज जाएगी, पता है ना? है? नहीं ना? आँख दिखा रहा है? आँख मत दिखा मेरे को। ओहो, आँख मत दिखा, आँख निकाल के ना गोटी करेंगे बेबी सबके साथ। क्या है? सुन, अरे क्या लगा के रख दिया है? पेपर लगा के रख दिया है? क्या है बे? पेपर जब्बलपुर मार पड़ेगी तेरे को, पता है ना? मुझे क्यों पड़ेगी? तुम तो कौन? मैंने बोला ना ये बॉक्स लगाने के लिए, क्या लगवाया? चल अभी, ओए उठ जा, चल लेके आ, मैं आ रही हूँ। हेलो, है आती हूँ मैं, ठीक है ना? कुछ तुमको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मैं भी आती हूँ अभी 10 मिनट के बाद। रखो फोन। डर्टी पिक्चर, विद्या वाली लग रही हूँ। क्या? Anybody has a problem? If anybody has a problem, just tell my name. Seth Sankar. नमस्कार। क्या नंबर नोट कर लीजिए मेरा, 9909248688। ठीक है ना? फोन कर लेना मेरे को, ठीक है? मैं ना सबका वो सेट ठीक करके लगाती हूँ, ठीक है? Even if your place sucks, पता है ना? No content, no intent. Even then I will make it look like a good play.
Not a bad play. Play to make people smile. Play to make people cry. Play to make people feel that this is the real deal. A play that slowly makes you die. All you need is a good play, a play people will remember you.
Never mind the bad song. This is the good song. And there's some actors who mess it up. They often miss the cues. They always miss the cues. They forget their lines. When they're on stage, they always forget their lines. They often mess up the lights and they're stranded in darkness. They often mess up the sound and no one hears them screaming. A cell phone rings in the hall. 1,000 cell phones ring in the hall. Breaks the silence, breaks the illusion, breaks the bubble. And the cell phones, they keep on ringing because no one really cares. And the cold and cruel backstage gives you a sympathetic pat. And you keep on searching. You keep on looking for that one thing. That one damn thing You wish your life was a play, a good play. Claps, catcalls, curtains. You wish your life was a good play.
अब मेरा गाना बजेगा। अरे गाना बजा। मेरा गाना नहीं था कोई।
फीडबैक से सवाल है।
अबे हम तो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के फर्स्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट जैसे है, कोई गाना ही नहीं बजेगा। अरे भाई कोई भाव ही नहीं देता।
बजेगा बजेगा।
अरे नहीं बजता है, पर फर्स्ट ईयर के लोग हैं। हाँ थोड़ा चिल्लाओ ना। देखिए मैं ना बस आप लोग की जैसा हूँ, ठीक है? मतलब क्या है ना, आपको देखिए आप लोग हम मुझे नहीं पहचानते और कैसे पहचान, माने मेरा नाम सफदर है, लेकिन इस ग्रुप में ना सब लोग मुझे जूनियर कहते हैं। हाँ मतलब मुझे ना सबको सर बोलना पड़ता है। हाँ लेकिन क्या होता है ना, कॉलेजेस में जब आप फर्स्ट ईयर में घुसते हो फिर आप सर बोलते हो, फिर सेकेंड ईयर होता है, थर्ड ईयर होता है, फोर्थ ईयर होता है, फिर आप सीनियर हो जाते हो। हाँ
लगती है
कि होते हो ना। हाँ जी, लेकिन मेरा क्या चीज है, 4 साल हो गया हम इस ग्रुप में हैं, ठीक है? हम अब भी जूनियर है, लेकिन हम अब भी सबको सर बुलाते हैं। मतलब बोलते हैं जा चाय लेकर आ, जा पानी लेकर आ, हमको ही लाना पड़ता है। और यू वोंट बिलीव, क्या करे भाई? हाँ हाँ जी, अरे थोड़ा प्यार करो। ये जरूर कोई सीनियर था, कोई फर्स्ट में बोल ही नहीं पाता। हाँ हाँ तो अब क्या है ना, सुनिए ना, लाइक बेसिकली मैं इस ग्रुप का प्रॉम्प्टर हूँ। मतलब मेरे ये सामान है, फिर चाय लाना, बिस्किट लाना, बिस्किट पिलाना। हाँ मतलब सोचिए एक्टर को बिस्किट पिलाना, एक्टर के कुत्ते को बिस्किट पिलाना, सब हम ही करते हैं। हाँ तो बेसिकली इस ग्रुप में मतलब सब हमको, तो हम जो बोला जूनियर बोलते हैं। मतलब बाबलू बोस है, बाबलू दा को आपने देखा, मोदी जी का बहुत बड़ा फैन है, मतलब बहुत बड़ा फैन है मोदी जी का। फिर शंकर दी है, मतलब बाबलू दा और शंकर दी के बीच ना मुझे लगता है कुछ है। मतलब नहीं प्रॉब्लम ये है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता वो लोग करते कैसे हैं। हाँ नहीं क्या, नहीं हम तो साइंस के तरफ से है। हाँ तो ना क्या होता है ना, वो शंकर जी है ना, वो क्या बोलते हैं ना, बहुत मतलब देखिए वो तो बैचलर है ना, बुद्धि हो गई, अभी भी बैचलर है। तो क्या होता है ना, कभी कभी वो अपने आप को ना संभाल नहीं पाती। हाँ मतलब बाबलू दा को भी लाइन मारते हैं, कभी कभी तो मुझे भी लाइन मारते हैं। हम तो बेटे की उम्र के हैं। हाँ हमको बोल रहे थे विद्या बालन, हम तो सोचे हमको खा जाएगी वो। हाँ इसीलिए हम ये टोपी में ना डेंजर पहन के घूमते हैं, इसीलिए। हाँ और मिस को आप लोगों ने अभी तक नहीं देखा, वो बुड़का बिकिनी में जो शुगर थी वही मिस है। हाँ तो मिस ना बढ़िया है, मुझे प्यार मत करो तुम, आप लोग मिस को प्यार करो। हाँ हम आते और हम तो कुमार के बारे में बोलना भूल ही गया। कुमार ना 1 नंबर के क्या बोलते हैं ना, बी पे बी। मतलब नहीं गाली नहीं दे सकते, प्रोफेसर लोग है ना। हाँ मुखर्जी साहब गुस्सा हो जाएंगे। अरे सीटी मत बजिए, हम लड़के हैं। नहीं सचमुच है। हाँ तो क्या होता है ना, हम जब कॉलेज में थे ना, हम ना पहले इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में घुसे थे। हाँ लेकिन क्या बोलते हैं ना, इतना सेमेस्टर होता है ना, इतना एग्जाम होता है, आते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के बाद प्रोजेक्ट के बाद प्रोजेक्ट, थिएटर कर ही नहीं पाए, इसलिए हम इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज छोड़ दिए। उसके बाद हम भी आ रहे हैं भाई, हम भी आ रहे हैं। कलकत्ता जाने की ट्रेन 12:30 बजे है, आ जाओ। तो बेसिकली हम उसके बाद प्रेसिडेंसी में घुस गए, हमने बहुत पॉलिटिक्स किया वहाँ पर। अरे मुझे कुछ तो बोलने तो कोई बोलने नहीं देता हमको। हाँ, तो वहाँ पर हम बहुत पॉलिटिक्स किए। हाँ, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद बहुत 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 नारे लगाए। लेकिन एक्चुअली ना मुखर्जी साहब आप समझेंगे इसीलिए हम आपको ही बोल रहे हैं। मुझे ना कम्युनिज्म का टीवी नहीं आता था, मुझे मतलब ही नहीं आता था कम्युनिज्म का। लेकिन वो कम्युनिस्ट जो मैनिफेस्टो है ना, वो हम बैग में लेके घूमते थे। वो तो पार्टी ऑफिस में बोल दिया था। आप समझ गए, ठीक है। आप क्लास में बाकी जन को समझा दीजिए। एक्टर लोग आ गए, इन लोग को बिस्किट पिलाना पड़ेगा, इसलिए सॉरी बिस्किट तो खिलाते हैं, दूध पिलाते हैं। बंगाली है ना, खा और पी में कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है। टाटा।
बबलू,
Finally, here you are, KK. KK, we are supposed to rehearse. KK, we are supposed to rehearse. Why are we having a party here?
Raise the bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. I'm up all night to the sun.
And all the men and women hardly fail. God has his earphones on. हंसी आ रही है, हंसी आ रही है। God is grooving to the Rolling Stones classic, Sympathy for the Devil. कौन शैतान पहचान नहीं? अरे हम भी तो शैतान ही हैं, शैतान।
All the world's a cage, and all the men and women fight and shout about what's unfair. Satan has lost his earphones. He's bored and stoned if his world is trippy in his head. And he can hear all this in the Slayer classic. God hates us all.
बहुत बोलती है।
बबलू,
कौन कमबख्त बर्दाश्त करने के लिए पीता है?
मुझे
हम तो पीते हैं कि हम तुम्हें बर्दाश्त कर सकें, तुम्हें पास ला सके।
बोलो ना, और पास आ जाती हूँ।
तुम इतनी मोटी क्यों हो?
तुम्हारा प्यार जो बसता है।
तुम्हारा बॉडी बॉडी नहीं है, मार्बल रॉक का रॉक है।
समझ जाओ।
बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता, अब दूर
चुप करना बे, चुप कर बे। बबलू,
हाँ
सुनो ना।
हाँ।
ये अरुंधति क्या बोलते बोलते चुप कर गई है? बोलना बे, चल बोल।
I didn't have to be a witness to this, you know, just by the way.
इतनी अंग्रेजी बोल लेती, अंग्रेज चले गए, अरुंधति को छोड़ गए।
सही बात बोले। जिंदगी झंडवा फिर भी घमंडवा। क्या है? Stop posting updates on Facebook about how the world is going to end. It is not going to. Sad story, bro.
The world is going to end, dear. The end is here and the end is near. Write down the ending credits list and keep it ready. It'll come handy.
इसको शायद कोई बीमारी है। मैं चलता हूँ।
It's so easy to deal with you sometimes, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's deal with me.
Come back.
बबलू बेबी, सुनो ना।
बोलो ना, करो ना।
तुम आजकल मुझसे प्यार ही नहीं करते हो। पूरा प्यार बीजेपी और मोदी जी को दे दिया।
नहीं,
तो फिर
बीजेपी में मुझे सबसे अच्छा अटल जी लगता है। अटल जी ऐसे बात करते थे पार्लियामेंट में, देखा था? ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। ये अडवाणी जी जो कर रहे हैं ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। ऐसे बात करते थे।
मेरा जिगर का टुकड़ा।
कौन अटल जी है? हमें
तू और कौन? क्या बोलते हैं?
अटल जी का एक पैर भी नहीं है लेकिन एकदम चौंगा है।
हाँ बहुत है मेरे को।
एकदम आगरा का टोंगा है।
हाँ तुम्हारी तरह।
चल जी हम जाते हैं।
किधर जा रहे हो बबलू? मुझे छोड़ के मत जाओ। ओ
Kumar,
सनम,
can we please rehearse? The party is over.
तुझे अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है। You see God, ये जो स्क्रिप्टेड लाइंस है ना, the world is going to end and वगैरह वगैरह क्या? क्या यार, ये क्या हो रहा है? हम फीडबैक थोड़ी है जो फीड दे के बैक देते हैं। The world is not going to end, so you better stop your attempts. If the world was a play, it must and it should need one director. ये मेरा बात है, अब तुम समझो।
The great director or the great dictator?
आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ। Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for this wonderful opportunity.
Director sir, what are your plans for the next play?
The next play.
Not the next actress.
Don't say these things, Bablu. The next play, I want my next play to be beyond epic. My next play should win all the awards in the history of civilization. My next play should be brilliant.
All we need is a good play.
And I want my next play to have lots of sex, skin show, smooches, smoldering beauties. Basically pornography. But disguised as intellectual erotica. All we need is a good play. And I want my next play to have lots of violence, lots of action, blood and gore, sledgehammers, knives, pistols, and in the end, dead bodies, all of them. What does Marcellus Wallace look like? It should be Tarantino meets Kubrick on stage.
All we need is a good play.
And since it's a play for the modern crowd, the niche audience, I want my play to have lots of references to Facebook and Twitter. I want my play to have lots of slangs, lots of rock and roll. In short, everything that's cool. Everything that sails.
All we need is a good play.
And last but not the least, I want my play to pretend that it is protesting. The play should try and say it's going to bring about change. The play should try and bring about a revolution, just like they say in Clubs Zindabad. My play should also be Apocalypse Zindabad. The play should be good play. All we need is a good play. All we need is a good play. All we need is a good Listen, Joker. I'm not going to give you क्या? Listen, there's a problem with the payment, but that does not mean you will not do your shows, right?
क्या है?
पेमेंट चाहिए, मेरा चेक किधर है?
Kumar, I'll arrange for you separately. Shonkurti, listen, there's a difference between an engineer and a carpenter. You are a carpenter.
अच्छा
Last 4 plays, all the blocks were faulty. I'll give you.
2 फुट 4 इंच कान के नीचे से बजाऊंगा ना, नानी याद आ जाएगी तेरे को। क्या है?
I'm 5 feet 5.
डायरेक्टर, मेरा चेक किधर है?
Kumar, I'll arrange for you check separately. Just look at Bablu. He's happy with his bottle of alcohol and you. Just.
बजा रहे बलून देखा है? बलून देखा है? बलून देखा है? बलून पिन देखा है? हाँ? तू बलून है, मेरे हाथ में एक पिन। तू क्या?
That's a nice line.
Use a nice line.
Kumar, come this side. I'll pay you separately.
चल ना नाटे, 2 फुट 4 इंच, चल बात।
5.
तो मैं भी कटरीना कैफ, चल।
Shonkurti, this is not happening. This is not it.
पिन कौन है? ये बलून कौन है?
कौन है भाई? ये कौन है?
बबलू,
ओ, ये CID का
पिन कौन है?
तुमने मुझे दीदी बुलाया।
पिन कौन है?
अरे धर, तुम्हें और कुछ नहीं आता है क्या? हमेशा बबलू।
सिर्फ तुम आते हो।
अरे यार,
क्या है?
पेमेंट नहीं मेरा।
वो तो है ही खंजर आदमी, नहीं देता। 2
सब
फुट 4
पेमेंट वो एक्ट्रेस लोग को देता है।
पता है वो केके के साथ ना उसका कुछ है।
हाँ, अच्छा नहीं लगता है।
क्या है?
जूनियर कहाँ है? जूनियर
जूनियर,
इधर आओ, इधर।
मुझे रोल मिल गया।
हाँ, रोल मिल गया।
बॉबी देओल के सिनेमा में 2 मिनट का रोल।
बॉबी देओल के सिनेमा में बॉबी देओल का ही रोल नहीं देता है। सोल्जर पार्ट 2, सोल्जर 1 कब चला? कौन देखा? अरे अब देखेगा। सोल्जर 1 देखेगा तो 2 कब देखेगा?
मेरा मजाक
बॉबी देओल से सबसे बड़ा स्टार चंद्रचूड़ सिंह है। पूरे कोटा इंडिया में किसी ने उसका सिनेमा नहीं देखा, समझा?
अब तीनों मोड़िया
एक सिनेमा बनाया था राज, उसमें चुम्मा खा, उसके बाद कभी सिनेमा नहीं बना।
सोचो इतना बड़ा चुम्मा खाया, सिनेमा ही नहीं दिया उसको।
मेरा तो भाई फेवरेट है। टोटल फेवरेट है।
कौन है?
टोटल फेवरेट है।
कौन है?
इमरान हाशमी।
वो तो तुम हो, इमरान हाशमी।
ये है प्राइवेट व्यापार है। अगर तुझे स्टार बनना है तो तुझे इमरान हाशमी बनना पड़ेगा।
चुम्मा खाना पड़ेगा।
यस, दैट इज द फर्स्ट सीन।
कैसे आप
जूनियर,
आप कैसे खाना है ये मैं तुझे सिखाऊंगा क्या?
जूनियर,
इसको चुम्मा मत खा।
जूनियर,
हम ये तो आपका सामान है।
तुम भी थोड़ा यूज कर लो।
और रोल पाने के लिए तुझे और एक सी का जरूरत होगा। वो है तुझे चाँद से तुझे कुछ नहीं आएगा बेटा। चांदनी श्रीदेवी था ब्लू साड़ी में। ओ टोटल और चांदनी बार में।
मैं भी तो हूँ, देखो।
ओ ये टबू ना
बाबू का
हाँ
कैसी औरत है? बेटा बुलाता है, बात बुलाता है।
बेटा नहीं बुलाती हूँ, आ जाओ।
बाद इसको दिखाता है, पागल है क्या?
क्या है? आ जाओ ना, थोड़ा सेरेलैक पिलाती हूँ।
अगर टप्पू तेंदुलकर है ये बालाजी।
क्या है? बालाजी बोला?
हाँ,
इतना प्यार
अगर
करते हो?
तुझे रोज चाहिए तो दूसरा सी लगेगा, वो है कैश। हाँ, तेरे पास तो कॉइन भी नहीं है।
अरे डायरेक्टर साहब पेमेंट नहीं देता, गर्लफ्रेंड को दे देता, ऐसा पूरा देता है।
गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं, गर्लफ्रेंड्स। और एक सी तुझे लगेगा। वो तुझ में है।
क्या?
वो तुझ में भरपूर है।
आप क्या उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
तू किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है?
हम उस जो है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं।
मैं भी जो है उसके बारे में ही बात कर रहा हूँ।
वो तो आपके पास नहीं है।
मेरे पास था।
आप मुझे तो वो भी खा गई।
मैं कैरेक्टर में दोस्त के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ। और कैरेक्टर अपने दोस्त के लिए जो लगता है उसके बारे में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ यार। आप क्या करती हो?
क्या करती हूँ? उसने मेरे को बुड्ढी बुलाया, मार दूं साले को।
बुड्ढी को बुड्ढी नहीं बोलूंगा तो क्या कटरीना कैफ बोलूंगा क्या?
अच्छा, रोज रात को याद नहीं रहता तुमको? हाँ बुड्ढी। क्या है? क्या है?
तू
क्या है? क्लोरोमेंट एक बार में ना बट्टक लूंगी तेरे को। क्या है?
आपने तो इसको मार देंगे। मार देंगे बुड्ढी को। बुड्ढी को मार देंगे। मार देंगे। अरे वो चांद देख रहे हैं। अरे
यार चाँद तो देखने दो यार।
मैं हूँ ना, मुझे देखो।
किसने मेरा नाम लिया? किसने लिया? तूने?
मैंने नहीं लिया।
इधर आ।
ठीक है, आपके छाती का बाल एकदम
झकास। जुड़िया रे,
दोनों आपके बारे में बहुत गंदी गंदी चीज बोल रहा था।
गंदी गंदी चीज बोल रहा था। चल सामान हटा।
आप रात को सनग्लास क्यों पहनते हो?
सुपरस्टार है भाई।
अंदर हम सोचे के साथ ब्लैक ब्लैक खेल रहे हैं।
इधर आ जा जूनियर। क्या खेल रहे हो? ब्लैक ब्लैक। ऐसे मारूंगा ना पीछे से येलो येलो निकलेगा।
आप हमको डरिए मत।
डरिए मत।
हम पैंट में मूत देंगे।
डरिए मत नहीं, डराइए मत।
पागल ही हो ना।
असुविधा होता है।
असुविधा होता है।
ये मेरे बारे में क्या बोल रहा था?
क्या कौन ये क्या बोला था?
क्या बोल रहा था?
क्या बोला?
बोल रहा कि तू क्लोरोमिंट है और मैं तेरे को एक बारी में बट्टक लूंगी।
अच्छा,
सबको खाती है। सबको खाती है।
बाबूला, इसका छाती का बाल भी झकास।
मारो मारो।
ऐसे करते हैं, ऐसे। बंद करो, बंद करो।
बाबूला,
मेरे ग्रीन रूम में क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? गेट आउट। कुमार,
आजा।
ओपन करो। थर्ड या फोर्थ राउंड में जाता हूँ।
और जूनियर को अंपायर रखेंगे।
कुमार, कुमार, कुमार,
मिस
कुमार।
बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए।
देखो हवा भी बदल गई।
वो तो होना ही था। कांग्रेस के बाद बीजेपी आया, अरुंधति के बाद मिस आया। प्रणाम।
वो कांग्रेस और मैं बीजेपी।
जो आप ठीक समझे।
As you say, darling.
मिस
कुमार,
क्या रे? मेरी है। मिस
बोलो कुमार।
हाउ आर यू?
I am fine.
आप क्या लोड़ीता है?
कुछ वैसा ही समझ लो।
मिस
लोलिता।
एक सेकेंड यार।
बोलो ना।
Could have been an erection in your direction is now a depression.
कुमार, तुम एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स क्यों नहीं खाते?
अरे antidepressants got its due. I just want to sleep with you.
हाय कुमार, तुमने तो जान ही निकाल दी मेरी।
क्या करे?
बट क्या करे?
चीज ही ऐसे है।
क्या करे डार्लिंग, लाइन में बहुत है। तुम्हारे साथ नहीं सो सकती मैं।
इसमें
देखो ऑडियंस भी सपोर्ट कर रही है। नहीं बोलो बोलो।
I know you are committed to that useless. कौन है ना उसका, क्या नाम है उसका?
नाम परेश है।
परेश, उसका नाम में ईश है। परेश।
मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड के बारे में ऐसा मत बोलो।
मिस,
बोलो ना।
stop acting off stage.
ये तो ग्रीन रूम है डार्लिंग।
अर्ज क्या है?
इरशाद।
I just love you.
So sweet of
Butter.
you.
Butter.
Butter. So you like chicken,
Oh,
huh?
I love it.
How about a leg piece?
See the word of the day is legs.
Sorry, God.
Let's go back.
Not you. Kumar.
No, Sona. Only Rona Dhona. Go.
Kumar, I will not sleep with you.
एक बार आजा साले थप्पड़ खा के देख। मेकअप खराब कर दिया यार। I'm warning you, miss. If I don't get what I want, I will leave this production. वैसे भी कुछ बाकी नहीं है, पेपर ही है। पेट से बोलूं, the name is so nice, they say it twice.
जब भी मैं आती हूँ अंधेरा कर देता है। नॉटी लाइट्स मैन। सुनो ना, मुझे और ये नाटक वाटक नहीं करना है। ये क्या फालतू की चीज है। मैं तो सिनेमा के लिए बनी हूँ भाई, सिर्फ सिनेमा करूंगी। सुनो डायरेक्टर, मैं ये नाटक नहीं कर सकती। आई एम जस्ट होपिंग दैट दिस प्रोडक्शन इज गोइंग टू बी अ गुड प्ले। अब जाओ घर जाओ, बाय। बस इतना ही था।
You can get the official press release from my secretary. कहाँ गया बे? थे उधर थे। No, I am not doing this production for professional reasons. नहीं, क्या है? अबे मिसेस है वो। हम नहीं कर सकते यार ये प्रोडक्शन। I've got a job offer, माने film offer. साइन कर ले, थोड़ा कम देना। चलता।
Director Saab, I'm really sorry, but I won't be able to act in your play anymore. Firstly, it's very difficult to deal with Kumar. And second of all, I got this film offer. You know, I've always wanted to act in films. Who doesn't? I'm sure it'll be a good play. Good luck with that. No pictures, no comments, please.
Junior! There has been a huge problem.
क्या हुआ?
Kumar has left my play for doing a film.
तुम बोले थे वो छोड़ देगा। एक नंबर का।
Everyone wants to go for films these days. Even Miss has gone. These boys will not watch my plays anymore.
अरे मुझे भी बॉबी देओल का मूवी में मिल गया, उन लोगों को तो मिलेगा ही।
Arundhati has also left. At least she could speak English properly. Junior, I have an idea. There's almost 1200 people, more than 2000 people here. And everyone has left the play. I think only you can entertain them. Junior, this is your chance. This is your chance. Even Bobby Deol has never received this offer. Bobby Deol has only one expression for sadness, sorrow, everything. Sadness and sorrow is the same thing. Anyway, forget it. Junior, this is your chance. Open it. Just go for it, Junior. Music! Music! Music!
यहाँ भी होगा वहाँ भी होगा, अब तो सारे जहाँ में होगा या मेरा ही जलवा, मेरा ही जलवा। अरे यहाँ भी होगा वहाँ भी होगा, अब मेरा ही जलवा, मेरा ही जलवा।
This play, good play that we perform right now, it was written 2 years back, and as you might have guessed, the main point of the play is हर नाटक के पीछे ही लाइट्समैन भी रहता है, सेट का आदमी भी रहता है. They are never in the limelight on the spot. Like the spotlight always falls on people like Kumar. So the play was basically about that. And but I still think that it's the director's vision that makes the play. Director ही हर अगली चीज को हाँ क्या
हाजी क्या
कौन बोला?
No, you can't. अरे कौन है? कौन है?
अरे नहीं अरे आ जाओ आ जाओ।
दीपांशु
दीपांशु?
कौन दीपांशु
अरे
कौन है भाई? अरे
शॉट
अच्छा आओ।
दीपांशु प्लीज माइक दे
One thing that you are our guest, है ना? We have called you. You have done a very good play actually. You have done a very good play, and your name of the play is also good play. But I can't understand that from 1 hour, what are you doing? What you want to tell us? I can't understand. कभी आप बोलते हो कि लाइट मैन है जो गुड प्ले बनाता है ना? नहीं कभी आप बोलते हो लाइट मैन है जो गुड प्ले बनाता है, कभी आप बोलते हो कि जो बिग स्टार है वो गुड प्ले बनाता है, और एंड में तो डायरेक्टर क्लेम कर रहे हैं भाई कि ही एंड ही हिमसेल्फ मेक्स द गुड प्ले. तो हम कौन है? हम यहाँ 2 घंटे से आपका शो देख रहे हैं, हम कौन है?
कौन हो?
अरे
तुमको क्या हुआ? बीमारी है?
गाइस लगता है ये भूल गए कि थिएटर का सबसे एसेंशियल पार्ट कौन होता है. नहीं फिर से. यू आर राइट, ऑडियंस. सो हाउ कैन यू निग्लेक्ट such a large number of people filling your empty rows? How can you? आप बताइए, आप अगर तालियां नहीं बजाओगे तो इनका प्ले बेकार भी हो सकता है ना? नहीं 1 मिनट मुझे बोल लेने दीजिए, है ना? कि आप अगर तालियां नहीं बजाओगे बेकार भी हो सकता है, आप अगर अप्रिशिएट नहीं करोगे तो खराब होगा, फ्लॉप होगा, अप्रिशिएट करोगे तो हिट होगा.
दीपांशु
कैन यू लेट मी स्पीक? मतलब मैं ये कह रहा हूँ ना कि हम लोग ही बनाते हैं प्ले, इनका गुड प्ले हम लोग ही बनाते हैं एक तरीके से. तो प्लीज
चलो सो जाओ सभी.
नहीं एक रिक्वेस्ट है, बस एक रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज सर, डियर सर, डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट देम.
Don't underestimate the power of the common man. That is right. Thank you.
No. Such a large number of people are seeing you. Please don't ignore them. They are the audience. They are the God personified, and they are the one who make the good play.
Thank you.
So this is finally the end of the play.
ये स्क्रिप्टेड था.
ये स्क्रिप्टेड था, सुबह डिसाइड किया हुआ था. I would like to take this opportunity. Sorry.
समझ गए हम भी.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'll start from the very end. Shomendra Bhattacharya as Junior, student of Presidency University, followed by Soham Majumdar as Kumar. The writer director of this play, Oritra Sengupta, is from Jadavpur University. Followed by Shormishta Pandey, who played the role of Mace. Srija Ghosh as Seth John Cena Shankar. Nazreen Islam, who was also the writer-director of the previous play. Again, round of applause for her. She danced in the previous production. She is also a part of this production. She is also intrinsically linked with ye set, वगैरह everything. Ritvika Chaudhary. Also, the newest member of our team, Dipanshu. I'll also like to take this opportunity to thank Shayondeep Roy. He was on the musical, he was on the guitar in the previous production. Ayanti Ghosh, who was in the props department. Ayan Bhattacharj, who was on sound. And Shubhrajyoti Basu on the lights console. Myself, Shobha Mukherjee as Bablu. Thank you so much, IIIT Jabalpur, for inviting us. We presented two different sorts of plays, totally different sort of plays for you all. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you to all the faculty members who've taken the opportunity, who've come and watched us, and all the students. Thank you so much. Have a great night.